You might be wondering why you would use an encyclopedia when there are so many other sophisticated information resources available for research online. Let me give you an example. Let's say that I need to lead a discussion in my LIS class on the topic of open access. So open access may be something that I've heard before, maybe I've seen it associated with journals, but if I don't have the full picture or the full command of what that topic is, a specialized encyclopedia like ELIS may be a good place to begin to lay the groundwork for understanding all of the context of this topic. So I will enter my topic open access. I'm going to make sure that I am searching within the current reference work, just the ELIS, and then click on search. As you will find with any online search, your results will include variations on the keywords that you used in the search. So I will find open access mentioned in several reference work entries or encyclopedia entries from the ELIS. In my results list, I can see that there's a mention in the Museum Registration and Documentation article, the Open Access Scholarship and Publishing article, Institutional Records and Archives, Access in a Digital Age, etc. What I want to do for my purpose of understanding the topic of open access better is take a look at this second article, which seems to be an article focused on the topic. So in the case of an encyclopedia, this should be a place that I can go to better understand the history, the development, and the implications of the topic. So I'm going to click on the abstract and verify that that is the case with this article. According to the abstract, then, this article is about open access publishing, that it helps scholars to be more productive and to reach larger audiences. It will talk about the challenge for opportunities in universities to design systems for publishing that take advantage of the digital technologies, intellectual value, cost effectiveness. So I can see that this is indeed going to be the type of source that should give me that good background on the topic. Let's take a look then at the full text. When we find a good article like this, oftentimes the most convenient way to view it is through the PDF. If you are someone who prefers or needs to use a screen reader, you'll want to use the full text in this HTML version found in the link to the left. Let's take a look at the PDF for our example. So the first page is sort of a repeat of all of the citation and publishing information about the article. As I scroll down through the pages of the entry, I will be able to view the actual encyclopedia content on the second page. The article will go through sort of key facts and figures, key developments. You'll notice in the text of the encyclopedia footnotes, notes that we'll find in the references list at the end of the article. In addition to all the good background and understanding vocabulary, I'll also have access to this very rich encyclopedia-style list of references. What I mean by the encyclopedia-style list of references is that it's going to be a place that I can count on to deliver some of the most essential articles on the topic, some of the key readings on the topic. It's going to be a little bit broader than, say, a research article bibliography would be. So I should be able to extend my search by reviewing some of these sources that the author references. Many of these sources have open access links that you can go to on the internet. For those that do not, for those that are referenced from journals, you can go back to the UWM Library's homepage and look for those journals in our collection using the citation linker.